Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change the battery in a Nissan Pathfinder key fob. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This simple task can be completed quickly, restoring full functionality to your key fob. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side where the emergency key slides out. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Apply gentle pressure and twist the screwdriver slightly. This action will carefully separate the two halves of the key fob casing. Be patient and avoid using excessive force to prevent damage. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Pay close attention to its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Use your screwdriver to gently pry out the old CR2032 battery from its compartment. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it with the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, facing upwards. Ensure it sits securely. Finally, let's reassemble and test your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, ensuring they fit together perfectly. Gently press them together until you hear a click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once reassembled, test all the buttons on your key fob to confirm it's working properly. You've successfully changed your key fob battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.